So after getting a channel, so what are the strike will be accepted by your YouTube channel? Strike will be two type of strikes: file dispute, copyright strike. Copyright strike nothing but remove the video permanently on your channel. Second one, file dispute. Video is accepting, any will be transferred by the primary account holder. The video belongs to for which account? The amount will transfer by the particular holder. So coming to any videos manager. Now coming to your videos, we'll see here, including copyright content, including copyright, blocked in someone countries, blocked in some countries. Select it. Video blocked by 7 countries. Remove the song or file dispute. Two options. File dispute is a reason is called play match. This is called play match. So you can change your song, automatically change your option. Why? Because the song will be not eligible by the particular 7 countries. That is called a showing for file dispute. So any kind of strikes will check by channel status and the future. When coming to committee guidelines, copyright strike. So right now I'm not eligible by copyright strike. I'm eligible only for file dispute. So they not give any strikes. Once you get by copyright strike, item 3, your account will be totally disabled. Totally disabled. So this will be. So monetization disabled. Now not eligible. Why? Why? Because it's not reaching for 4,000 hour of views and 1,000 subscribers. So still it will be 1,175 and 353. Now coming to your video manager. What are the videos are getting strikes? You can check by one, including copyright strike content. Select it. What does strike get? Remove song. Play match. 0.0 seconds to 1.1 is to 55 seconds. This is a video will be here. Check how many minutes this one. Total video will matching for song will be here. Now remove the song. Automatically your content ID will be remove your strike. So this is a very important by the check the copyright strike. Copyright strike will be two options. Copyright strike, file dispute. File dispute, not remove the video. Copyright strike, remove the video, will get the 1 strike count. Anytime you get the 3 strike count, automatic your channel will be disabled. It's very important to copyright strike. Any will be checked by where videos checked by individual videos. This is very important on particular YouTube channel. Check copyright strike. One is file dispute. Second will be copyright strike. When coming to copyright will be 3, account will be disabled. When coming to file dispute, only any will be sharing. The video can't delete. How many views? The any will given to the primary account holders. Please note down.